So I watch a lot of YouTube, and I work on cars, and now I'm gonna YouTube about working on cars. This is my garage. Clearly, I'm using a very nice background of my wife's clothes, so that it looks nice. Pops on screen. But today we're doing gaskets on my E39. The gaskets I'm talking about are not the fun ones in the engine, but the actual rear ones in the tail lights. So I'm gonna take you out to the garage, and we're gonna, get this going. Of course, I already forgot all the stuff I wanted to bring. Gonna need that, rubbing alcohol, some paper towels. I don't know where the paper towels are, but this is the baby. She's dirty as hell. Please don't judge me. This is not my E39 source introduction. Please don't judge me. Here we are in the back. Bam, taken out. Bam, I just left that in there so I could close it. 8mm deep socket. Takes out these long pegs. These long pegs go all the way down. You might not be able to see that in the light. These cheap eBay lights, 50 bucks, look good enough. But I get car washes and I would get water all down here. I get water back here. And of course, the E39s are notorious for water leaks and, well, other things. So I decided to bang my head on the trunk. Oh, this YouTube video sucks. I just want to acknowledge at this point that my E39 hit me. And, we're cool now, but I just want to acknowledge that I talked some smack about it leaking, and it hit me. And I just wanted to, it's cool. We're friends. Let's continue with this eBay light gasket video. Got new gaskets, OEM style. Part number. Who cares? Figure out your own part numbers, man. Just buy the OEM ones, like 20 bucks on eBay. I'll put it down below. This is what the YouTubers say. Sorry, it's my first video. I suck. So we're replacing the gaskets, because if you look at these, these things are pieces of crap. Look at that. Like, it's all just, I'm scratching my lens up like an idiot. I'm definitely not a professional, but I like E39s, and I'm going to go pick up my first E38 today, because the beast needs a cousin, basically. So we're replacing the gaskets, and I was just trying to figure out how these things actually sit in, and they actually sit in like this. Clearly not this one. Clearly that one. So do you see how that sits? Sits on there, boom, keeps you all airtight. Water runs down, bada bing, bada boom. No water in your car, especially, I was getting water on my battery. I don't know if you could see that, my battery in there, I was getting water on that. It was pretty terrible. Alright, so I don't know what this is going to look like, but we'll see. So basically, rubbing alcohol and clean this whole area because, well, I'm putting a gasket on there, so just clean all this off. Just rubbing alcohol, all of that. Get the bottoms, get the edges. Get the edges, get them all clean. You want this to seal. You don't want to leak water in your trunk. Like, I went to the car wash and I was putting towels back here. It was just embarrassing. So give this a good clean. Alright, so that's good. So yeah, get a good clean surface. You can see that. Good clean surface. At least there. Let's try to slap a gasket in. Cap back on your fluids always. Pro tip. Is this the one? Okay. Really secure the top. The top is going to be the most important part to secure. Obviously, because water runs down, but whatever. Alright, moment of truth. I only bought one pair of these, so I think I'm going to get one shot at this. I'm going to do the top first. Kind of line it up there. Push it down. Yeah, buddy. This is very cool. This is very cool stuff, guys. Very cheap replacement. Fits it all nice. Got the top up here, so now I'm gonna take it in the back. I'm gonna push it. Take the light, nice and clean. Fit it back in the 4 holes. Screws, 8mm. Just finger tight them. Don't drop them because they have a washer that just kind of sticks to it. They have a washer that just kind of sticks to it a little bit. So if you bust that off, you're never going to find it again. Pro tip. This video hopefully is not going to suck. But this is just a real simple, easy way, guys, to, you know, just replace your gaskets, do some basic maintenance. These old birds, these E39s, you know, they need love. Hella tight. Getting in there. Getting in there. Give it a push. God, I hope I don't break these eBay pieces of crap. Alright. It's good. Check fitment. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. It's not bad. Hope I didn't lock myself out. Nice. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. But first, get the bulbs back in. Good to go. Oh, that's all she is. BMW makes it very easy to do this. Oh man, this one is filthy. Alright. So, you know, respect your trash, clean your stuff. I was using a hammer because this got a little dent in the back. I don't know if you can see that. Little swoop. Got a little love tap back here, previous owner styles. So I had to tap that back in a little bit. Now obviously you do not have to disconnect the battery at all. But clearly you're in here, so, you know, fucking mind yourself. Alright, so it's got to get pretty clean before and after picture. You can see like it's funky. Clean that up a little bit. Wonder where I could put you to get a good angle at this. Definitely sweating because I'm a fat Italian Jew. I'm doing some minimal labor, so that makes me tire me out, gets you sweaty and stuff. Rubbing alcohol is important, dude. This shit cleans everything. Common colds, everything. Just get out the last gasket you had in there. You know, you want to squeeze that all out. You know, you don't want that old stuff. And it's pretty good. You don't need like a wire brush or anything because you don't want to scratch up the paint, but, you know, each his own. Depends how bad the old gasket was. Huh. Alright. Let's find a clean part on the towel. Lay some stuff. Get it clean. I mean, that's what's great about these cars, E39s. They're super affordable. A couple thousand, get you a decent one. $1,000 all day on Craigslist. You're probably gonna have to put some work into it. That's fun. You know? This is not my daily driver. I commute, Silicon Valley, Bay Area status. So, yeah, this is the Friday car. and the Saturday, and then my E38 is going to be the Sunday car, and then I daily drive a Prius because I'm a hippie, I guess. And my Prius battery's going out, so we're going to replace that. That's going to be fun. Spark plugs on the Prius, 12-volt battery on the Prius, and these basic Marin wheels. BMWs and hybrids, I guess. I do not look good on camera right now. Alright, cut. Oh, sweating like a whore in church. Whew. Alright, let's get back into it. Put the passenger side gasket on. Yeah, how we do. Really want to keep it tight up on top. Come here, guy. You want to keep this tight on top because that's where the water comes. Yeah. Water's coming down here, water streaming down here, guys. Like, that's where the water's coming from. You don't want that in your car. So, change your gaskets. Oh, that's probably a terrible angle. Clean that out a little bit more. Maybe get the wire brush. Scrape this out. Especially this top stuff. Remember, you know, cap up. Don't lose that. Alright. Moment of truth. Nope, nope, too fast. All the way around. Get that a little bit. That's a tight seal. You know, probably shouldn't get this wet. 24 hours maybe. I don't know what the hell the instructions are. Push, finger tight, 8mm screws. Remember, don't drop them. The washer's kind of built in-ish. Best way to describe that. Well, at least the ones on my car. I don't know what's up with your E39. Who knows? You can pretty much finger tight these things in, but I'm gonna hit them with the torque. Sorry, not torque, that's improper. This Milwaukee Badass puts out like 125 foot-pounds torque. Just melts these bolts in, but you know what? They stay. So. Yeah. So this thing's been sitting for a while because basically, that's good, that's better light. So basically I blew the water pump out because when I bought the car I replaced some cooling systems. I blew my expansion tank, blew my radiator, you know, some hoses and stuff. You know, I wasn't very smart. I didn't really know about bleeding the system that well, and you know, that's stuff that you have to know when you own these cars. I'm gonna show you how to do that kind of stuff. Might not be any good, but you know, the internet don't lie, so let's see what happens. But these are them back in the car. Take out the stuff. Keep your tools nice. Put your stunner shades on. Gotta have stun shades. Guess that's a Bay Area thing, but act like you know. Yee. Alright, so there she goes. Let's test the brake lights. See if they work. Oh, cold start. 2000 540i. So that was fun. So I think my brake light's still out. Let's see, it's that corner guy. So if you don't have any friends to do this, just take that, shove it on there, press the brakes. That brake light works. That brake light works. That brake light doesn't work. All right, well, gotta get a bulb. But that's how you repair the gaskets. So, that's fun. This is the car. That's how you repair the gaskets. Oh my God, it's too hot in here to do this. What the hell was I thinking? All right, holy crap. All right, turn this off. Oh, what am I doing? That was ridiculous. It's October in the Bay Area. It's like 80, 75, 80 degrees. For a fat man, you know, that's like 110. Especially a fat man doing stuff. Oh man, listen. That's how you put the gaskets on. If you have any questions, at I Love Chunk, Instagram, Twitter. That's it. New gaskets. Hopefully I don't get water in them. So I can go wash my car, because, you know, she's dirty. And always remember,